friends, my name is Aeryn. I am 9 years old. Today I will present a story. The title is Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood lived in a wood with her mother. One day, Little Red Riding Hood went to visit her granny. She had a nice cake in her basket. On her way, she met a wolf. Hello, said the wolf. Where are you going? I'm going to my grandmother's house. She lived behind those trees. The wolf ran to Granny's house, ate Granny up, and got into Granny's bed. A little later, Little Red Riding Hood reached to the house. She looked at the wolf. Granny, what big eyes you have. All the better to see you, said the wolf. Granny, what big ears you have. All the better to hear you, said the wolf. Granny, what big nose you have. All the better to smell you, said the wolf. Granny, what big teeth you have. All the better to eat you, shouted the wolf. A few meters away, a woodcutter was in the wood. He heard a loud noise. He ran to the house. The woodcutter hit the wolf over the head. The wolf opened his mouth wide and shouted. Granny jumped out. The wolf ran away, and Little Red Riding Hood never saw the wolf again. The moral of the story is don't share personal information to strangers. Thank you.